Firmer, bouncier skin?
Sold.
I'm going to keep this one for later.
Okay.
Skincare is loud right now. Big claims, big promises, zero clarity. So today, we're doing things differently. Everything is going under the microscope. For the record, state your name.
I'm James Atkinson.
And who are you?
A content creator and skincare expert. And today we are talking all about science and ingredients and stuff that actually works.
Well, let's see what actually stands up. Okay, first up, retinol. Big claims, slightly intimidating. Why should we be using it?
Retinol is a form of vitamin A, and this basically helps skin cell turnover. It's going to help with fine lines, wrinkles, those sorts of things, and you use it in the evening, and it kind of works when you're asleep.
Why are people scared of it?
Because people go too strong too quickly. They think more is more. In this case, it's not. Go steady, start slow, and work your way up.
Baby steps.
Baby steps, exactly. That's why Medik8 is brilliant. They have different levels. So you can start at Crystal Retinol 3 and work your way up gently.
And how big's the payoff?
Brilliant. It literally can change your skin. Your skin can look brighter, clearer, glowier, and you'll have less fine lines and wrinkles.
Sold? Talk to me about hyaluronic acid. Why do we need it?
So hyaluronic acid is a hydrating ingredient, and you'll see it in a lot of your skincare products. But on its own, it can be a really hydrating, sort of plumping agent for the skin. So something like this from La Roche-Posay, it's the Hyalur B5 serum. This is going to instantly give that plumping effect to the skin. Use it after you've cleansed, before your moisturiser, and you just get a bit more hydration.
So it's going to help with hydration. I've been out on the wines.
Yeah.
This is going to stop me looking like a raisin.
Potentially.
Could I drink it?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Guys, do not drink the products coming to you from the lab. Okay, niacinamide. This claims to fix everything. What's the truth?
So with niacinamide, the reason why it says it claims to do everything is because it kind of does a bit of everything. It reduces pore size, it can even your skin, it can reduce redness, it helps with the barrier function of your skin, and kind of anyone can get on with it. I like this one by The Ordinary. This is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. When this launched, everyone loved it because it was like an introduction to niacinamide. So people were using niacinamide for the first time, seeing amazing effects, and this is still an amazing entry-level product.
So basically, it does what it says on the tin, which is a bit of everything.
Yeah.
Morning or evening?
I would say morning. You can do both, but I would say morning.
Right, give me some benefits. What does it do?
Reduces redness, helps with pore size,
Okay.
evens the skin tone.
God, it does a lot. It's like me, podcast, radio, TV, investigating people. Okay, my skin goes through a lot. Now talk to me about repairing it, peptides. What do I need to know?
So think of your skin as like a brick wall. The peptides are the mortar that hold everything together.
Oh.
Yeah, so peptides are great for repairing your skin, but also they can sort of like firm your skin, make your skin bouncier. So that's why people say it's like Botox in a bottle, because it gives that appearance of like a more youthful skin.
So possibly this could make everything firmer and bouncier?
Yes, that is the SkinCeuticals PTOX, and that is the one that everyone is saying is the best in the industry right now.
Firmer, bouncier skin? Sold. I'm going to keep this one for later.
Okay.
What about a more cost-effective option?
So Medicube have this one, which is their PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. You've seen this. This is super viral.
Okay.
More cost-effective, and I hear you like your K-beauty.
I really do. So this, Korean approved?
Korean approved.
And it's pink. Okay, SPF. We know it's important, but people still skip it. Why?
Because traditionally, when you think of SPF, you think running around a beach and like thick, white, like greasy.
Yeah.
It's not like that anymore.
Okay.
It is advanced so much. So like this one, this is La Roche-Posay's Anthelios UV Air.
It's so light, I can't even see it.
It's so light. It's the lightest on the market, okay?
So it's going to feel like nothing on your skin?
Nothing on your skin, works great with makeup, doesn't irritate the skin, and completely invisible.
And protects?
Protects UVA and UVB. You need to be using SPF 365 every single day.
Every day, rain or shine?
Rain or shine.
Okay, so don't skip.
No,
Otherwise, all this,
absolutely pointless.
you heard it. Let's close this case. Retinol,
Powerful but controlled.
hyaluronic acid,
Super hydrating.
SPF.
Non-negotiable every single day.
Okay, I've heard enough. Less hype, more evidence. Case closed.